Hi everyone, and welcome back. If you're a Dyson owner looking to take your cleaning routine to the next level, you're in for a treat. Today, we're showcasing the Electric Mop Head Kit with water tank, designed for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, and the latest Gen 5 models. This versatile attachment combines vacuuming and mopping in one powerful tool, making your home cleaning more efficient and effective. So, let's get started. 5. Dyson Electric Mop Head Brush with water tank for V7, V8, V10 V11. This electric mop head brush is rigorously tested and designed to fit seamlessly with Dyson V7, V8, V10, and V11 models. So, if you own any of these vacuums, you're in luck. With this attachment, you can now vacuum and mop simultaneously, making your cleaning routine more efficient than ever. One of the standout features of this mop head is its ease of use. No additional tools are needed for installation, just a quick snap and you're ready to go. This means you can spend less time wrestling with parts and more time enjoying a spotless home. PPD with a high-powered dual-spin motor that spins at 150 revolutions per minute, this mop head effortlessly cuts through stubborn grime on various floor types, including wood, vinyl, and ceramic tile. This mop head isn't just about cleaning, it also has a waxing function, leaving your floors with a shiny, polished look. Plus, the mop pads are made of nanoscale nylon cloth, reusable and washable, so you can keep them clean and ready for the next job. The split water tank is a fantastic feature, allowing you to easily control the water flow and keep everything clean with minimal effort. The mop head also features a fine, soft fiber mop that effectively tackles water stains and dirt. The electric mop head is durable and practical, made from high-quality materials designed to last. Whether you're dealing with ceramic tiles, marble, or wooden floors, this tool saves you time and labor, making your cleaning routine easier and more effective. 4. Dyson Electric Mop Head with water tank for V7, V8, V11, V10, V15. This electric mop head attachment is perfectly designed for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, and V15 models. It's an essential addition for anyone who wants to combine the power of vacuuming with the efficiency of mopping. Note that this is just the cleaner head attachment, not the entire vacuum. The mop head allows for a 180-degree rotation from left to right and a 90-degree tilt. This makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture and into hard-to-reach spots. The high-speed rotary function spins at 150 RPM, ensuring a thorough clean with every pass. The counter-rotating double-gear system tackles dirt and stains, leaving your floors spotless. This electric mop head is suitable for a range of floor surfaces, whether it's vinyl, tile, hardwood, or even marble. It's designed to handle it all with ease, making it a versatile addition to your cleaning arsenal. Mop pads are made from high-quality microfiber, making them not only effective but also reusable. You get 4 replacement pads included, so you'll always have a clean one ready to go. When it comes to installation, this floor attachment is a breeze to set up. Simply snap it into place and you're ready to start cleaning. No complex tools or steps required. The Dyson Electric Mop Head with water tank is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to enhance their Dyson vacuum. It combines powerful vacuuming with effective mopping, all while being easy to use and install. 3. Electric Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner Brush Tool for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11. This tool allows you to vacuum and mop at the same time, making your cleaning process faster and more efficient. It's compatible with Dyson V7, V8, V10, and V11 models, so if you own any of these, you're set. This powerful mop head spins at an impressive 160 RPM, effortlessly tackling stubborn dirt and grime. Whether you're cleaning wood, vinyl, or tile floors, this tool ensures a thorough clean with minimal effort. The high-power dual-rotating motors are a game-changer, allowing you to clean up to 710 cubic meters per minute. This means you're saving both time and manpower. Plus, The mop pad is made from nano-grade nylon cloth, which is washable and highly effective at collecting dust and water without leaving behind any stains or streaks. This brush tool is not only effective, but also lightweight and versatile. It can be used for both mopping and waxing, giving your floors a shiny, polished look after cleaning. The internal rotation traction makes it easy to maneuver, so you won't tire out from cleaning. And don't worry about installation. It's quick and straightforward. Just attach it to your Dyson vacuum, and you're ready to tackle any mess. The electric cordless stick vacuum cleaner brush tool is a fantastic addition to your Dyson vacuum. It combines powerful vacuuming and mopping in one tool, making cleaning easier and more efficient. If you're looking for a way to streamline your cleaning routine, this is definitely worth considering. 2. Mop head attachment with water tank for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11. If you own a Dyson V7 V8 V10 or V11 vacuum cleaner, you'll want to stick around. We're exploring the versatile and powerful electric mop head attachment with water tank, designed to enhance your cleaning efficiency across your kitchen, living room, and dining area. It's not just about mopping. This tool combines multiple functions in one. You can polish, wax, and dry mop with ease, all thanks to its versatile design. The rotary high-frequency wiping mechanism operates at 150 revolutions per minute, giving you a thorough clean that's both time-saving and labor-saving. One of the standout features of this mop head is its ability to handle a variety of cleaning tasks. Whether you're dealing with everyday messes or tougher stains, the high-frequency rotary mechanism ensures a deep clean. It's perfect for different surfaces in your home, whether it's your kitchen floor, living room carpets, or dining area tiles. The mop head comes with a water tank and 6 mop cloths, providing everything you need for efficient cleaning. The cloths are washable and reusable, making maintenance simple and cost-effective. It's designed to fit seamlessly with your Dyson vacuum cleaner, so you can start using it right away. For optimal performance, it's recommended to clean the parts of your vacuum every 1-2 weeks and replace them every 3-6 months, depending on usage. Before purchasing, just double-check the model of your vacuum cleaner and ensure the size and shape of the parts match. This will help you avoid any mix-ups and ensure you get the best performance from your mop head attachment. 1. Electric Mop Head Kit for Dyson V7 V8 V10 V11 V15 Gen5. This electric mop head kit is designed to fit Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, and V15 Gen5 models. It's more than just a mop head, it's a multifunctional tool that combines vacuuming and mopping in one seamless attachment. This means you can tackle daily messes faster than ever before. One of the standout features is the removable water tank. With this kit, switching between vacuuming and mopping is incredibly simple. Just click on the water tank, add your water or cleaning solution, and you're ready to go. Turn it on, and the water starts dispensing, making cleaning even more convenient. The mop head spins at a powerful 150 RPM, ensuring that stubborn dirt and grime are easily removed. This high-speed spinning action cuts through dirt effortlessly, leaving your floors spotless. Flexibility is key with this mop head. The attachment can rotate 180 degrees, allowing you to reach every corner and edge with ease. This means no more struggling to clean those hard-to-reach spots. The soft, fine fiber mop cloth is designed to be gentle on smooth, hard floors. It effectively removes stains without leaving any marks behind. Whether you're cleaning tiles, marble, or other smooth surfaces, this mop head ensures your floors remain as smooth as ever. Using this electric mop head kit is straightforward. The installation is quick and easy, and maintaining it is a breeze. Simply clean the mop cloth after each use and replace it as needed to keep your cleaning efficient. The electric mop head kit for Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, and Gen5 models is a fantastic addition to your cleaning arsenal. It combines vacuuming and mopping in one tool, making your cleaning routine faster and more effective. If you're looking to upgrade your cleaning equipment, this is definitely worth considering. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about the electric mop head kit for your Dyson vacuum. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game and enjoy a more streamlined cleaning experience, be sure to check out the link in the description below to get yours. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more reviews and tips on the latest cleaning innovations. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.